Thank you. Good morning, everyone. And unfortunately, we're expecting another few days of that triple-digit heat in the inland areas. Here's the view from Laguna Beach. If you want to beat the heat by heading to the coast, it's going to be a spectacular day in Laguna. We're seeing beautiful crystal blue skies this morning. The tide's rolling in nicely. Some folks enjoying a nice run along the beach. I'm a little jealous. Temperature right now 73 degrees. The winds are coming in from the northwest at 5 miles per hour, and the relative humidity is at 79%. Here's a look at the temperatures across the rest of the south. Your surf report for today. We've got a south-southwest groundswell that's holding on, and it looks like Orange County is going to see the best surf. San Onofre 3 to 5 feet. High tide will be around 8:30 this morning. For the beaches, we're expecting temperatures in the low 80s. Nice warm temperatures for you. Very similar to what we saw yesterday. Downtown can expect a high temperature of 90 degrees. Around the valleys, still in the triple digits. Slight chance of thunderstorms for the mountains through the desert areas. We've got about a 20% chance of isolated thunderstorms developing. Of course, we'll keep you up to date with the latest here with Eyewitness News. Around the mountain areas, low 80s, and for the deserts, holding in the triple digits. John?
All right, Bri.
Car crash on the 5 South at Slauson Avenue. One vehicle has spun out and is partially blocking the slow lane. It could be on fire. Fire department is on scene as well as the CHP, so just approach the area with caution. A little further to the south on the 55 South MacArthur Boulevard, we have a couch in one of the lanes. It's not exactly clear which lane it is in, but just be careful out there on the roadways. Now let's take a look out with our Caltrans camera. We're showing.
And Bri's here now. We had such a great summer going along there, mild conditions, and now it's like payback time.
Yeah.
It feels
All of a sudden,
Mother Nature is like, you're not getting off that easy. Yeah, this has been an incredible heat spell that we've had for the past few days, and it's going to last for at least another 2 to 3 days for the inland areas. Degrees in Calabasas. Good morning to you. You're waking up at 75 degrees this morning. Now, right now, we're in the upper 70s for Palmdale, much cooler and a bit more comfortable around Santa Monica at 70 degrees and 73 degrees in Santa Ana. Huge area of high pressure across the southwest. That's driving all of this heat and this heat wave. Clockwise rotation around this high pressure is bringing in subtropical moisture and creating those monsoonal thunderstorms that kicked up those dustnadoes that we saw yesterday. Here's a look at the picture. So we've got that high pressure. It's driving in that subtropical moisture. This is a monsoonal pattern. We typically see this in late summer, and that actually triggers thunderstorms across the higher areas or in the mountain areas. So for the San Bernardino mountain areas today, for the San Gabriels, at least the eastern part of the San Gabriels may see some thunderstorms forming as well into the high desert, so around Lancaster and Palmdale. So they threaten the mountains and thunderstorms once again this afternoon, isolated thunderstorms to be exact, and we could see the potential of flash flooding with these thunderstorms and small hail. So for the high desert, it's extremely hot. 105 will be the average high temperature. Those isolated thunderstorms in the forecast as well. If you have plans outside, you hear any rumbles of thunder, just head on indoors. Here's a look at the high. It's another ice cream kind of day. It's going to be extremely hot. I'll let you know just how warm it will be coming up. Good morning, everyone. We're looking out at LAX. Blue skies, temperatures still pretty warm out there, around 70 degrees. The winds are coming in from the west at 6 miles per hour, and the relative humidity is at 84% this morning. Right now, Burbank, 77 degrees, 79 around Palmdale, 79 degrees in Ontario. If you're looking to work out outside today and you are in the inland areas, you might want to get out there sooner rather than later, because those temperatures are going to soar quickly. Now we want to show you Tropical Storm Hector. It's moving right now west-northwest at 12 miles per hour. Maximum wind speeds at 45 miles per hour. It actually looks like it's going to start moving to the west-southwest and strengthen a little bit and then continue on a more of a northwesterly track in the next 3 days or so. Not expected to make landfall, which is good news. Here's a look at what to expect for the Southland. Downtown will see very similar temperatures to yesterday in the low 90s. Beaches will be in the low 80s. Valley spots triple digits. Mountain areas will be in the low 80s with isolated thunderstorms expected in the afternoon. High deserts will top out around 105, and low deserts, Palm Springs, 114 degrees. John, can you believe it?
Thank you. As Bri just mentioned,
For you, maybe if you're heading to Costa Mesa for the Orange County Fair, today is the last day. They actually have discounted admission tickets if you go between, I think it's 10 and 11 this morning. Right now, there's a little bit of slowing on Pacific Coast Highway. Other than that, we've got smooth sailing on the 405 heading down towards Costa Mesa. Not too bad. Now let's take a look around John Wayne Airport.
and Bri's here to talk about it all. Boy, we're not going to get much of a break for the next few days, it sounds like.
Unfortunately, no, not for the next few days. And that's some shocking video of all that fish just laying there dead. You know, that just is an example of how extreme this heat can be and how careful you need to be. Make sure you do not leave your pets or children in vehicles. Temperatures can soar to deadly levels very quickly. So just be careful out there. Make sure to drink plenty of water. Let's get to our forecast. This morning around 77, 79 degrees in Palmdale, and Big Bear already starting to warm up to 54 degrees. High pressure dominating the weather across the southwest. That's bringing the monsoonal flow back to our area and triggering those thunderstorms across the mountains into the high deserts for this afternoon and tomorrow afternoon. Eventually that high pressure is going to start dying out a little bit as we head into tomorrow afternoon into Tuesday, allowing temperatures to cool off just a bit for the middle of next week. Your surf report looks like this. We've got a south-southwest groundswell and it's holding on. Best surf in Orange County, Huntington Beach 3 to 4 feet, San Onofre around 3 to 5 feet. High tide will be at 8:30 this morning. The beaches will warm up to the low 80s this afternoon, mostly clear skies. Here's a look at the highs for today. In the high desert, we'll see triple digits with a threat of the thick of that heat wave. Tomorrow, very similar temperatures, right around 89, and then cooling off as we head into the middle of the week. The sea breeze will start kicking up for Wednesday into Thursday, bringing the clouds along the coast and hopefully into the coastal valley spots, so we get a little bit of that cooling trend. For the valleys, IE will be in the triple digits today. Tomorrow, Tuesday, still hot, right around 98 degrees for an average high temperature, and then back down to those mid-90s for Wednesday into Thursday. Mountain locations.